Haters motivate me because when they're talking about me, that means I'm doing something. That means I'm moving. You see, while you're over there watching me, talking about me, I'm working. I'm working hard. I'm taking things to the next level. You keep gossiping and I'll keep working. You keep talking smack and I'll keep working. You keep focusing on everything and everyone else and I'll keep working. And when you finally look around at where you are and where I'm at, you'll realize you've got nothing left to talk smack about. And you will lose, and I will win. That person who is your hater, they thought they defeated you. That person who told you you'd never amount to anything, they thought they defeated you. Use them for fuel. Use them for energy. Put them on the mental Rolodex in your mind. And when you don't want to do shit, roll through your brain. Pull up that motherfucker that you need. That person who said you couldn't do something, use it for energy. Instead of killing them with kindness, torture them with success. Oh, you're being unrealistic. You're dreaming. Yes, I am dreaming. You see, a lot of people have stopped dreaming. Don't you stop dreaming. You're gonna get out. You're gonna get dressed. You're gonna get out there and do what you've been called to do. You're gonna be what you're called to be. You're gonna have and you're gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you, you're gonna prove them wrong. Everybody trying to stop you, everybody trying to kill your dream, you're gonna prove all of them wrong. When you're uncommon, get ready for the criticism. When you're uncommon, get ready for the opposition. When you're uncommon, get ready for the common people not to understand you. When you're uncommon, you need uncommon ways. Get ready for people to try and block you, conspire against you. Never allow anybody to make you feel bad about being so blessed when you've worked your ass off to get it. You decided all the clubs, partying, hanging out, all that shit, that ain't for me. I'm gonna be out here running in the hot sun, practicing, playing basketball, shooting on weekends while everybody else is clubbing and hanging out. You got your focus right. You see me in my Rolls Royce, private planes, rooftop hotel, 5-6-star lifestyle? I worked my ass off to have it. And you can keep all your little slick ass comments to yourself. Because guess what? I don't remember the last time I lost sleep over a hater. Shut the noise out. Embrace the fact that people don't like you. You need to do something right. Develop the interior core where it doesn't matter if people call you crazy. One of the things limiting you from your income, your impact, your world-class life, you care too much about what people think about you. Everyone has an opinion. But why let the opinions of other people deny you from a life that will make history?